Hi, I'm Ali, and in today's video I thought I would share with you a great facial lymphatic drainage massage. This will really help you with glowing skin, removing toxins and waste within the facial and the neck area. Hi, I'm Ali. I've been a facialist for the last 7 years and I'm really passionate to help you with your skincare concerns. So first things first, I like to sit down, shoulders nice and relaxed. And before we even start putting any facial oil or anything onto the face, we're just going to take the flat of the hand, and where our collarbone is, just under, we're just very lightly going to glide, light feather-like motion if you like, from the middle of the collarbone towards the armpit. Just getting everything ready. And this has got some great lymphatic nodes here, so moving everything along. And we're going to work literally from the collarbone all the way up and then coming back down for the final lymphatic drainage release. So again, just gliding your hand under your collarbone towards your armpit. We'll just do that a few times. And then where our collarbone is, just above, we have some indentations. And if you just give those a few gentle presses. So once we've done that, I'm now going to apply some facial oil, and you want some facial oil for a bit of slip and glide. I'm using a rosehip oil here. You can use a castor oil. Just something organic is lovely, and something without any sort of nasties in. And we're going to apply it to clean skin. So I'm just massaging it into the fingers, making it nice and warm, and then just gently applying all along the facial area, and not forgetting the neck. So with the flat of the hand, because we have more surface area, we're starting from above the collarbone, lifting upwards towards the chin, under the jawline, towards the ears, down the SCM muscle here, the side of the neck, down to the collarbone again. And let's do this a few times. Again, feather-like touch. And we have plenty of lymph nodes under the jawline and behind the ears. So we're really moving toxins and waste. And then on the other side, all along the jawline, back of the ear, down the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. Also helping with those fine lines and wrinkles as we're smoothing everything out as well. So now with the thumbs placed under the chin, fingers above, I'm now just gently gliding in an outwards motion. Again, with the thumb we're moving the toxins and waste, and above as well. This is fairly light. Again, the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so moving everything along, and you don't need to be heavy-handed. And then with the fingers lifting up from the jawline, up by the mouth towards the nostrils, and just gliding along. This is a great one to do in the morning, just to wake up the skin, get a nice skin glow. And because we're doing it light, if you just want to calm everything down, great for the evening as well. Not forgetting above the lips. And just gliding along. And then with the fingers, I'm just gliding under the cheekbone now, from the nose towards the ears. And then with the fingers, just above the cheekbone here. I like to work in an upwards and outwards motion. Now when it comes to the eye area, the skin around the eyes is very fine and delicate, so I'm using my ring finger because we have a lighter touch, and again we're just gently working outwards, literally along the bone here. And again, because we've applied a facial oil, we've got a nice glide, and also whatever you've applied to your face is going to penetrate in even better and deeper as well. It's kind of almost double bubbling in a way. And then not forgetting under the eyebrows, further light touch. If you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really help with oxygen to the neck and the head area as well. So now when it comes to the forehead area, I'm just gliding again in an upwards motion from between the eyes towards the hairline and then working along. And then I'm placing my hand onto the head here and just going to give that a little massage, just making almost the skin move in a way, just releasing any tight tension. You always forget about the head, the top of the head and the area in this area here. And then just work again at the side. It's always a good idea to have your hair tied back, and maybe if you're just about to wash your hair as well, particularly if you've got a facial oil on and got messy hair. So once we've done that, I'm interconnecting my fingers and I'm just gently gliding now. Again, outwards motion horizontally where the forehead is here. And again, we're smoothing out any fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead, removing all those toxins which could be accumulating within the lymph. So this again will help with glowing skin. And then just very lightly, cheekbone area, all the way out. And then by the side of the nose, just drawing down slightly, and then under the cheekbone lightly. Fingers up and across, lower part of the face. And then the jawline, again, thumb placed under the jawline, fingers above, and just gently glide along. Great, particularly if you have any toxins and waste under the jawline area here. And then with the fingers, I'm just going to massage the bottom of the ear and working my way in a round circular motion towards the top of the ear. And then coming back down. I always want to swallow when I'm doing lymphatic drainage. You'll feel things moving along as you're working. And then when you get to the bottom of the ear, we're now going to work all along the occipital bone. So basically, bottom of the head, top of the neck. And if you feel a little extra point, just give it a little massage out. And again, we have lymph nodes here, so we just want to move everything, get everything going. And then just glide towards the ears now once the fingers are touching. Nice slight touch towards the ears from the middle of the head and neck. And then placing some fingers in front and behind one ear, again where we've got plenty of lymph nodes in front and behind, and we're just gently gliding down the side of the ears here. And then with the flat of the hand down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And on the other side, taking some fingers in front and behind the ears and just gently gliding down either side of the ear here. And then with the flat of the hand, gliding down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then to finish off with, really important, from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, almost our starting position, I always like to finish off with a few gentle presses. And this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the facial area to really help with glowing skin with our facial lymphatic drainage massage release. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll leave another video here if you'd like to join me there. Please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Sorry, I can hear a cat in the background. And please leave a comment down below just tell me where you're from and if there's any other facial massage techniques, facial yoga you'd like me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.